Hi guys. In this lecture, we'll build the video chat feature. Our plan is to first let users choose between picking a photo and a video. Then, reuse the code from the photo chat feature. Alright, to begin, we'll present a view controller from the chat view controller. This view controller will be kind of an alert sheet that lets users choose several action options. We need animation and we'll do nothing upon completion for now. Okay, so we'll need to create this sheet. It can be created by initializing a UI alert controller. We'll set its title to media messages and tell users that they should select a media. Finally, for its style, it'll offer users a few different action options. So let it be an action sheet. Alright, cool. Then we can define the options it'll offer. Alright. Actually, let's run the app to see how this new view looks like. If you think about it, this sheet should have two options for users to pick photos and videos, and one for them to, dismiss the view. Alright, good. Now press the button. Cool. This is the sheet view we created. Now we need something on the sheet so that we can dismiss it. Alright, so let's define a cancel action by first initializing a UI alert action. We'll call this action cancel, then tell the initializer that we need a cancel action. Finally, we don't want the app to do anything after users tap the button. The sheet will be dismissed automatically. Let's delete this placeholder. Yeah, we're good. Alright, let's run the app and see. Wait. We need to tell the sheet to display this action. So, ask the sheet to add the action we've created. Okay, cool. We still need two more actions, but let's see. Okay, the app is running. Let's click the accessory button. Good, it works. So this piece of code is good. Alright, next we'll create two actions for picking photos and videos. We'll reuse the code for the cancel action, but now we'll need to customize the code that will be executed after users selected the options, like getting to the library to pick a photo or to pick a video. Alright, let's do it. First, create a photo. Okay, a photo library action by initializing a UI alert action. Title this action photo library. Library. Okay, library. Make it a default UI alert action. Okay, default. Alright, good. We'll fill out later what the app needs to do after users choose this action. Alright. Now similarly, let's create an alert action to go to the video library. The constant will be a video library. The action title is video library. As before, we need to tell the alert sheet to display these actions to the view. Add to the sheet the photo library action, and also add the video library action to the sheet. Alright, cool. Everything should hook up now. Next, after users selected one of these two actions, we'll present them a picker to choose the media data they want. We'll do that shortly. Press the button. Yeah, it works. Each action doesn't offer us anything for now. If users select the photo library, we can use the code before to present them a picker view. We also want to use a similar snippet for the video library action. Alright, so let's use a common method for them, called getMediaFrom, we'll fill the input later, and call it in the video library action too. Now, let's implement this method in the chat view controller. Alright, we'll use the image picking code as before, but now we need to initialize a media picker, not just an image picker, because we also pick videos. We still use UI image picker controller because this class also supports other media pickers. Next commands are similar to those before. We need to let the chat view controller be a delegate of the media picker, so that it can access the chosen media data, and use the chat view controller to present this media picker controller with animation and do nothing upon completion. By default, this snippet will direct users to the photo library. To direct users to different media libraries like videos and things like that, we need to indicate that in the function inputs, like get media from type image and get media from type video. All right, now specify the inputs in the implementation, say type, which is a string. Then we can use this input to tell the media picker that the media type is specified by the type parameter. All right. There's an error. The input shouldn't be a string. It should be a CF string for a reason we'll talk about shortly. Okay, but because the media types property is of type string, this assignment is not right. What we need to do is to convert this CF string input to a string. Okay, so why a CF string input? To answer, think about what string values we would use for the media types property. Are they strings like photo type or image type or just photo? For now, we don't know. The exact strings we need to use are in fact the values of the constants KUT type image and KUT type video, as written in the description of the media types property. These constants are of type CF string. That's why we need a CF string input. All right, so now we need to input these constants to get the media from function calls. For action, photo library, input KUT type. Wait, where is it? All right, we don't have it. We need to import a certain library in order to use these constants. So let's import, import mobile core services. They're in the mobile core services. Now input KUT type image. Cool. This constant is in the mobile core services we've just imported. Besides this CF string constant for the image type, the library also has a constant for the video type. Let's see. Where is it? I'm sure it's just somewhere in here. But why can't I find it? Let's see down here. Okay, it's here. The KUT type movie constant. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's the one. Now for video library use. KUT type. Okay, type movie. This constant is also a CF string. All right. Now let's see if we're missing anything. Okay, we're good. Let's check it out. Actually, let's print the values of the constants we've just put down. Okay, now let's run the app again. If you know the values of these constants, you can just use them directly without having to use the mobile core services. But the point is, we don't know. Okay, now choose photo library. Cool. The value of KUT type image is public.image. Alright. If we choose video library, constant KUT type movie will be used. And its value is public.movie. Remember, we need to convert these CF string constants to string objects. It's because the media types property is of type string. So, we need this typecasting stuff. Okay, now we need to send the videos. We use the image picker to choose videos. So, the chat view controller can access the picked media info because it's an image picker delegate. But it needs to check if the extracted item from the media info would be a picture, or not, because so far it doesn't really know. So, if not, then we check if the item is a video URL by extracting it from the value of the media info with the key UI image picker controller media URL. Alright, we can see this key in the console where we print the media info. We check if the item is a video URL by trying to convert it to an NSURL object. If yes, then we can get a video by, wait, there's an error, let's see, okay, nothing important. Alright, then we get a video by instantiating a JSQ video from this URL and make it ready to play. Finally, we append a new message to the message array. This new message is a JSQ media message. Alright, here it is. Initialized with the sender ID, the sender display name, and the video extracted from the picked media item. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, cool. All right, let's run the app and see. In summary, we present a sheet view for users to pick a media item, then extract the item and encode it into a media message. All right, let's pick a nice video. And send. Great, it works perfectly. Okay, we're able to send the videos. In the next lecture, we'll let users watch the message videos in the app. See you then!